In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery in a Hyundai Equus key fob. This key fob was used between 2014 and 2016 and uses a CR2032 battery. Changing the battery is very simple and can be done at home. You can find these batteries online. They're very inexpensive. I will leave a link down in the YouTube description if you'd like to buy one on Amazon. So just follow along and you'll have your battery changed in no time. First thing, push on this button to remove the internal key. Now, looking in where the key just came from, you'll see on one side the keyhole and on the other side this little groove. We're going to take a flathead screwdriver, insert it into that little groove, hold it firmly, just twist. You can see we just made a little separation between the two halves, and now I will finish that off going down the side and just taking it apart like that. In here we have the battery, and it's housed in this plastic. I can't really remove it with my fingers. I'm going to use a precision screwdriver to safely remove the battery. This thing, you can get a set of these online. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to get them. It's just a couple bucks, and you can use this to come in from the top right, just like that, and now gently, with just a tiny bit of pressure, the whole key will just come popping right out. Just like that. Go ahead and take a new CR2032 battery. Make sure that the positive side with the information goes down, and you will slide the battery in to this metal component, the bottom going in first, like that, and then you just push the top in. Just like that. Once it's snugly in its place, you will just return the other half and click the two together, throw your key back in there, and you're good to go. You can see my battery is actually dead, but this light will come on indicating that everything is connected and the battery has juice, and that's how you know that you're all done. It's really just that simple. I hope you had no problems and you had fun, and thank you so much for watching.